Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the Hai Chau area of Da Nang. We are here right close to the Han market, but we're gonna take a stroll here through this street and then we will go to the left and explore if there's something interesting here, hidden somewhere in these little side streets of Da Nang city center. You have lots of golf clothes. Okay. There's also Montclair. Ooh. You get huge spa facilities.
So here's the prices. 30 minutes, $10. 1 hour, $15.
Yeah, it's definitely priced for the Korean tourists. Yeah, I think. And usually they have group discounts for the buses. That's why then they pay way less. But this is an interesting restaurant here. Looks pretty stylish. And you can buy some remover cases, suitcases. Then here, more foot massages in this little sketchy alleyway. Whew.
So because we are on a stroll,
Yeah.
what is the German word for today?
Gehsteig. Footpath.
Is what we are on the footpath.
Well,
right?
on the footpath, on the pavement. Gehsteig, nicht? Not Gehweg, Gehsteig?
Gehsteig or Bürgerweg.
Bürgerweg, okay.
Because
So
it's a way for the citizens. Like
we
for
also
the
have 3-4 different ones.
Yes.
Look at this. You get some Travis Scotts for $47.
You know what? From these shoes, I'm more into this one, the Tiger Mexicos.
Yeah. $34.
And you know why?
Yeah.
Because Bruce Lee wore it.
You know what? Emma has birthday in 2 months. Maybe I just buy her like these Sambas for $30. She will not know.
She like it?
Huh?
She like the Sambas?
I think. I don't know.
To
Maybe I
release
buy
the video after her birthday.
Maybe I buy her some Crocs and I'm gonna. Then there is Social Sammy reviews hospital beds. Ooh.
What is this?
They even have hookahs here. Those hookahs looks crazy real. Dude, they look so real. Maybe they are even real. Look at this. You got them all here. I think if you have smaller feet, or like everything, not like me, 13 US. Oh, mango. Ooh, that looks so good.
It looks so good, really.
And it looks like a overpriced one. Maybe we should get it. Oh, there we see it.
The price, right?
55. Oh, that's good. Let's get it. Okay. We get one mango smoothie. What do you want?
Nothing.
Okay, one mango smoothie. Takeaway, yes. Alright guys, this is how the smoothie looks like. Takeaway. I'm gonna take a sip now. Try it. Looks very good. Actually, cool place here. Oh yeah, very refreshing. Nice. Alright, let's continue. Woo! As soon as you go into the sun, it's like brutally hot. So this here is the Yenbai Street. Yenbai. Alright, let's walk this. This is the second parallel street to the Han River. Oh. They also spray this little water thingy to make it cooler everywhere. What is this? Vietnam Post. Interesting, guys. Look at this. I think here you can send some parcels away.
And also, if you are short on stuff for cleaning, it's also here.
Detergent and 22,000 dong for black coffee, okay. What is the mango smoothie here? 30,000. Yikes.
Yes.
Then we have Lots of small coffee shops here. Very simple. But those are usually coffee shops I like with the coffee. Strong coffee, nothing fancy. Sit down. Oh, look at this. This coconut manufacturing here. Hello. All right. That's what they're doing. Coconut ice cream. And you can also get the coconut water, freshly pressed, 15,000 per bottle. So if you don't want to buy the coconut water from the supermarket, just go here, 15,000 a bottle. And you see how they do it. They just get the coconut water into a bottle. Hopefully they don't add any kind of sugar. Oh, you know what, Marcus? I've been here in this street one time. This is where I had a pho with unlaid eggs in there. Chicken pho with unlaid eggs in this street.
Okay.
Very interesting.
Sounds very special.
The funny thing is, all those places here, food-wise, I tried out before. Look at this, beautiful. It's a church. But what kind of church is it?
Tourists are not allowed to enter.
Ah, okay. No tourists. I thought in Christianity, Christians are not tourists. Marcus, you're a Christian. You're baptized. You're all the good stuff. You should be able to go in there.
I know.
Take the Bible and tell them.
But being too tolerant,
Yeah.
causing too much problems.
All right. Maybe that's true. Oh. But lots of churches here. I did not think that. Considering there's Christianity is a minority here.
Yeah.
Pretty interesting. I don't know what this is. It looks like a school or something, right? Like a
But
bushy
it looks
school.
amazing and it's bushy. Yeah.
It is a stylish school, dude. It's a secondary school. That's probably a private school, man. That's not something where we would go. Looks super cool.
And also next time we can have our football.
Oh yeah, true.
That would be a nice social friendly walk tour.
Yes. Actually, I need that at some point. I'm wondering what they're charging.
Pilgrims of Hope.
Oh, this is the pink church. The back entrance.
Yeah.
I went in there one time like this. Interesting, guys. I don't know if they're open now. Yeah, it looks like it. So the pink cathedral is over there. But we already filmed this. But we're gonna show you a little bit from the back side. Yeah, it's good, thank you.
Thank you.
Here you can also park. Usually should be someone who's taking care of those bikes, and you pay him. And also here in the city center, lots of construction. Foie nice. Chicken pho, 4,29. Oh, 29. I'm mixing German here.
You said it in German, right?
Yeah.
Oh, 29.
It's a yogurt ice cream bingsu. Another coffee shop I would go. Oh, brutal.
Oh, that's a dedicated workshop.
Oh wow, yeah. Huh. I think that's a hotel here? Yes.
It is.
Dai Hotel. Zai Hotel. Pretty quiet here. Bunja Hanoi. It's closed, yeah, sadly.
I would make an exception for Bun Cha.
What is that? I don't know what it is.
Oh, it's for snooze and everything.
Interesting. It's like noontime, afternoon time-ish. And I think people closing down their shops to have their naps. So lots of things are closed right now. Oh, look at this!
Entrance, right? Look at this.
Yeah, that's a nice entrance.
Dim sum.
But also, look at this.
Oh yeah.
That's a VF3 with a ski box. I mean, I don't know if it's ski box. Maybe it's a surf box because I don't think you can ski anywhere here.
But also they have a sticker
Rockstar.
on it. Rockstar.
Mi Quang. Interesting. But I think that means jellyfish. Yeah, I think it's jellyfish Mi Quang. Hey, please, Vietnamese people, tell me. This is zua, this is jellyfish, right? I had it one time. I did not know, I thought it was milk.
Look at this, they have also pink coffee in front of us. They have also mangoes. Mango smoothie, I guess.
Mango, yeah. Stylish, ooh.
With the teddy bears inside.
Yeah. Oh,
Hostel.
city hostel. Would be interesting to know how much a hostel room is here.
Maybe $2 a night? Or
Yeah, maybe. But there are. It's an interesting neighborhood here, but not as much as just one side street next to it. And this here looks pretty rough. This Thai restaurant didn't make it. Fully house for rent. Oh, maybe it's something for us.
maybe not. Because it's too far away.
Yeah. So they just moved over there. Interesting. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. Look at this VF3. This is a VF3 street here. What does sushi cost here?
Sashimi 115.
Not that cheap.
Oh, look, there's a co-working space. TikTok.
Where?
Yeah, TikTok.
TikTok co-working space. Maybe somewhere inside there.
Yeah.
But look at this. Pink Wonder. VF3, baby. Isn't that Boo Boo and Dudu?
I like these cars.
It's awesome. I think somewhere here I had a Mi Quang once. Somewhere here. No. I think a Ban Can. Ban Can I had. Somewhere here. Maybe they're close.
They have also Dona kebab. The Sinbad.
Sinbad. Shish kebab. Gambas. Interesting. That was the store.
It's reasonable price.
Marcus, this was the place I think where I had the Ban Can on a video even. Interesting. They're closed. They weren't not that good. Yeah, that was the street. Oh. I'm a little bit spooked out nowadays with the heat and having meat outside. That looks a stylish coffee shop here. And this one as well.
Yeah.
Brouhaha, organic cafe.
Oh, look at the.
But this looks not like a, it looks like a bar. But it's like a coffee shop and a beer bar. Huh.
Maybe they're separated from each other.
Mm-hmm. Huh. So now we are almost at the Han River again. This street is very busy, very, very busy. I showed you the street a few times now already, but yeah.
This one, is it a hotel? luxury.
No, I think that looks like a apartment building.
No, it's
Yeah.
a whole building here on the corner.
And they have something upstairs there too. Interesting. But this looks like it's not done yet. Or is it just a lobby? I don't know. They have a big motorbike down there.
Luxury building is the name. Luxury building.
Yeah, so you know exactly what it is.
Oh, okay, it's nice.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.